Welcome to HASSOC Learning Academy. Today, in this video, we are going to learn how to find out square of any two-digit number using Vedic mathematics trick. This trick can be used to find out square of numbers from 11 to 99. It is not applicable for the number 10. Let us take an example. Let us find out the square of number 23. Square of 23 means 23 times 23. There are 5 steps involved to find out the square of the number. The first step is find out the square of the tens digit. Here in the number 23, the tens digit is 2. So square of tens digit is square of 2, which is 2 times 2, which gives you the answer 4. Now step number 2. Find the square of ones digit. Here ones digit is 3. 3 times 3 will give you 9. But always write the answer to the step as a 2-digit number. If there is only one digit, add a 0 to it. So we get 09 as the answer for the second step. Step number 3. Write the answers of step 1 and step 2 together. The result of step 1 is 4. The result of step 2 is 09, which will give the result of step 3 as 409. Step number 4. Multiply both digits with a constant 20. Let us not get into the logic behind using a 20 here. That's a different kind of a story. But we are going to use 20 multiplied with the digits involved in the number. Here the digits are 2 and 3. So 20 times 2 times 3 will give us 120. Step number 5. Add the results achieved in step number 3 and step number 4, which are 409 and 120 respectively, which adds up to 529. Therefore, 529 is the required answer. Let's take another example. Let's find out the square of 68. Step 1. Find the square of tens digit. Here the tens digit is 6. So 6 times 6 will give us 36. Step 2. Find the square of ones digit. Here the ones digit is 8. So 8 times 8 will give us 64. Here there is no necessity to add a 0 because already you have a 2-digit number. So let us not add any 0. So 64 is the answer in step number 2. Step number 3. Write the answers of step 1 and step 2 together. The answer in step number 1 is 36. The answer in step number 2 is 64. The result in step number 3 is 3664, which is 3664. Step number 4. Multiply both digits with a constant 20. So here the digits are 6 and 8. So 20 times 6 times 8 will give us 960. Step 5. Add the results of step 3 and step 4, which is 3664 plus 960, which will give us 4624. Therefore, square of 68 is 4624. Now using these 5 steps, you try to find out the square of the following numbers. Like, share and subscribe to HASSOC Learning Academy. Thank you.